Apple cider vinegar has been used as a health tonic for thousands of years. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is an alternative remedy for a series of disorders and conditions. But can adding apple cider vinegar to your diet also help you lose weight? Dear viewers, this video explores the research behind apple cider vinegar and weight loss, so please stay with us and learn how to use apple cider vinegar for weight loss. But before you go on, click on the like button below the video, so we know you liked this topic. Your feedback helps us improve our content and reach more people. What is apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar is made in a two-step fermentation process. First, apples are cut or crushed and combined with yeast to convert their sugar into alcohol. Second, bacteria is added to ferment the alcohol into acetic acid. Acetic acid is the vinegar's main active component. Benefits of ACV in weight loss. Apple cider vinegar has a small amount of acetic acid that can activate your metabolism to help your body use fat as a form of energy, rather than storing it. Recent study showed that people lost an average of 1.8 kilograms in 12 weeks, after consuming 1 to 2 tablespoons of diluted apple cider vinegar daily. The acetic acid in vinegar is beneficial as it can control your appetite, and is most effective when paired with starchy foods. The acid slows down the digestion of starch, helping you to feel fuller for longer. Other health benefits of ACV. Lowers blood sugar and insulin. When consumed with a high-carb meal, apple cider vinegar has been shown to significantly lower blood sugar and insulin levels after eating. Improves insulin sensitivity. One study in people with insulin resistance, or type 2 diabetes found that adding vinegar at a high-carb meal improved insulin sensitivity by 34%. Can kill harmful bacteria. Acetic acid, the main substance in vinegar, can kill harmful bacteria, or prevent them from multiplying. It has a history of use as a disinfectant and natural preservative. Improves heart health. Apple cider vinegar can increase good cholesterol, so you maintain a healthy heart and cardiovascular system. Boosts longevity. It can prevent premature aging with its powerful antioxidant abilities. In fact, apple cider vinegar will slow the aging process and make you feel younger. How to add it to your diet? There are a few ways to include apple cider vinegar in your diet. An easy method is to use it with olive oil as a salad dressing. It proves particularly tasty with leafy greens, cucumbers, and tomatoes. About 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar per day is recommended to obtain full weight loss benefits. For best results, mix with water and drink. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video, so that other people can know about this issue.